Hey everybody, Steve from Internet City Computers again here in Detroit with my channel Fix It Right. I'm going to show you how to change a Panasonic Toughbook FZ-55 battery. So come on over here and let's do it. Easy enough. So here you pull this little lever here and you pull the battery out. Pretty simple. And you go and you order a new battery, and the battery number is going to be listed right on the back of your battery. Okay, so order you a battery and replace it yourself, save yourself some money. To put it back in, slide it till it clicks. So if you liked that video and got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back for more Fix It Right. Be sure to ring that bell so you get notified the next time we upload a video that's going to help you save some money. Until then, adios.